This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be working in green on one of my hexagons. This is PPG MULTI-PRO. This is my go-to pillow paint. And a pill paint I choose by the consistency and how stretchy it is. This is a custom green black. The green was phthalo green, and I had a little bit of black to it to darken it up. My pouring mediums consist of Valspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane triple thick in a 3:1 ratio. This is Peacock by ColorArte Prizm. It's a nice deep green with some beautiful shimmer to it. This is Fandango by ColorArte Prizm. It's a light green with a gold undertone. This is Wintergreen by ColorArte Prizm. And as the name implies, it does have that wintergreen. Titanium White Cell Activator by Amsterdam. It's mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. Next is Lamp Black by Amsterdam, mixed exactly the same way. If you're interested in learning how I put together my paints, my pouring mediums, and my cell activators, I do have a how-to series that you can look up. It was linked up on top, or you can go to the description to find it. I'm blowing out the petals now. Blowing out the petals with a hexagon is much easier for me because I can see where I'm aiming. Once I've blown out the middle, I'm always just trying to blow out the edge to as far out in the tile as I possibly can. And got a little bit over rambunctious of this and ended up blowing out the pillow paint. Some of it does show at the end, but I do spin off most of it. You'll see that the cells here that just really worked extremely well. And the dual cell activator, what it does is it gives a ring around the black. It's actually a very, very interesting look. Trying to get the cell activator in the middle to open up, maybe give me a few more cells right there in the middle. It's not a bad thing to have a large amount of cell activator in the middle, because as you spread it out, as you spin it out, that will open up, and any cells that are right underneath will also open. Spinning now. I'll let this go for a little while. This one was just probably a little too hard because I got a lot of paint off very quickly. I do have some bare areas on some of my tips, and so I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Most likely, the best thing to do in this case is to pull a little paint from that part of the bloom and add it to where you need it on the tile or canvas, depending on what your substrate is. The good thing about that is because it's similar color to what's there. Most likely, once I get this to flow a little bit more, that will cover up, and we'll get that good coverage. These tiles are really very nice to work on. I enjoy working with tiles. What I'll turn it into after the fact will be a trivet for putting pots and pans on. Okay, let's take a flyover here. You see that the cells are really very nice in this piece. If you found today's video interesting, please leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, ring the bell for future notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out 2 per week, and I'm hoping that you're finding them enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.